Hey guys, I'm going to show you a way that you can captivate just about any crowd, okay, that you play for. So if you make sure you watch the whole thing because that's what makes it worth it. So the story is all part of it and everything. I'm incorporating 2 songs, but I'm just kind of mashing them into one. And this is something I've played for a lot of different crowds, and it's always killed it. So if you guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or if you want me to teach you how to do it, okay? Remember, the story is a big part of it. So not a whole lot of people know this, but a few years ago I was engaged. And after we got engaged, I wrote this song for the girl, but we broke off our engagement before I ever got to play it for her. So nobody has ever heard this song. So just go easy on me, okay? Living easy, living free. Season ticket on a one-way ride. Asking nothing, leave me be. I'm taking everything in my stride. Don't need reason, don't need rhyme. There ain't nothing I would rather do. Going down, party time. My friends are gonna be there too. I'm on a highway to hell. 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 No stop sign, speed limit. Nobody gonna slow me down. Like a wheel, gonna spin it. Nobody gonna mess me around. Hey Satan, paid my dues, playing in a rockin' band. Hey mama, look at me, I'm on my way to the promised land. I'm on a highway to hell. 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 Don't you stop me. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. So it could be so nice growing old with you. And I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow old with you. Okay, so that's the whole thing. So obviously that's 2 different songs. I'm playing Highway to Hell at the beginning, and then I'm playing I Want to Grow Old With You by Adam Sandler from the Wedding Singer soundtrack. The songs actually blend together pretty well. So this is what everyone tells me when they watch it. Like, guys and girls all tell me a little bit different stuff, but it's always pretty similar. So people say, oh wow, like that's a lot, because when you're telling the story, it's like, oh geez, like this guy's really like going all out for us. And so some people think it's like too personal, and so there's like a bunch of different emotions. But then, and whenever I say like, so no one's ever heard this before. Every girl in the crowd always goes, "Aw." And then when you start playing, some people, the farther you get through the song, some people realize that it's Highway to Hell and they start laughing. But then when you get to the chorus, pretty much everyone does. And so there's like a huge like roar of laughter and applause that goes through the crowd. So then you play that, some people will sing along with you and stuff like that. It's awesome. And then so that they think, oh, he says he wrote this song for his ex fiance, but he's playing Highway to Hell. But then when you go into the love song part of it, from Grow Old with You, then every girl again goes, oh, and they do the same thing. So it's super good. I've never gotten a bad reception from it. Like, it's been awesome. So I would totally recommend it to anyone. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. If you want me to teach it to you, I will. But yeah, it's been awesome. So I hope this is very useful for you guys. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.